You probably know a great deal about the use of baking soda in the kitchen. It is an undervalued product, but do you know there are many applications of this product to improve your life? Today, we will share with you the secrets of baking soda. It will blow your mind. You will be amazed by its other benefits that every woman should know. Make sure you watch till the end. You will discover why it is an item you need to have in your home. It is economical, toxic-free, and environmentally friendly. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment saying I subscribe, or provide any suggestions on videos that you're looking for on weight loss, health improvement, or muscle building, and we will respond to your comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Cure indigestion and heartburn. Doctors would normally prescribe antacids such as Mylanta, Rolaids, and Tums to treat indigestion and heartburn. As a matter of fact, all these medications contain alkaline substances. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It is a natural form of alkaline that could be more effective than medication. Doctors would also recommend such treatment for those suffering from indigestion and heartburn. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water. Drink it soon after you have a meal. You will be surprised by its effectiveness in providing rapid relief from your discomfort. Number 2. Treat ulcer. Baking soda with its alkaline property is extremely useful in treating infection. It is known for its use to cure mouth ulcers. Mix baking soda with warm water. Rinse your mouth with the solution 2 to 3 times a day. In 3 to 4 days, you will see the results. Number 3. Remove bad body odor. Baking soda can act as a natural deodorant. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Hence, it kills bacteria and germs that cause the smell. In addition, it makes your sweat less acidic with its alkaline property. Hence, it can eliminate the smell from your sweat. Number 4. Make your physical training easier. When we exercise, our muscle release lactic acid. Lactic acid reduces the pH of our body. It makes our muscle to feel tired easily. As a result, this produces a burning sensation during physical training. In some occasions, we also experience muscle cramps. To improve the performance of your physical training, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water and consume it before the workout. Number 5. Treat sunburns and itchy skin. Baking soda is an antimicrobial substance. This enables it to soothe the soreness and itchiness caused by sunburn. Number 6. Soften hard skin. Baking soda can soften hard skin. Create a paste by adding a small amount of water to half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the paste on your hard skin. Leave it on your hard skin for 10 minutes. After that, rinse it with warm water. Treat it daily and you will see remarkable results within a week. Number 7. Relieves stretch marks. As baking soda provides the benefit to soften skin, it can be used to reduce stretch marks on your body. Make a teaspoon of baking soda with some water to form a paste. Apply the paste over the stretch marks. Leave it on your skin for about 10 minutes before you remove it with water. You could see the difference after some weeks of using it. Number 8. Relieve bad breath. You may not know that you can use baking soda to make excellent mouthwash. Because of its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, it helps to kill harmful bacteria and germs in your mouth. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a glass of warm water. After you brush your teeth, rinse your mouth with this solution. It can reach all corners of your mouth for much thorough cleansing. Your toothbrush may not reach some of these areas. Number 9. Relieve insect bites. Baking soda can be used to treat insect bites with its alkaline, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. Create a paste by adding some water to half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply it on the affected area. It will ease the infection and reduce the redness caused by the bite. Number 10. Promote hair growth. Baking soda can be used to increase the volume of your hair. Sprinkle some baking soda to your shampoo. Mix it evenly before use. After you have used it for quite some time, you can see remarkable results as it also improves the quality of your hair. Number 11. Treat kidney disease. Our body creates alkaline substances to neutralize acids and keep the pH levels in our body under control. People having kidney disease tend to experience difficulties in removing acid from their bodies. British researchers have found that consuming baking soda can reduce the rate at which the kidney weakens by 2/3, so it may help to treat kidney disease. However, more studies are required in this area. Number 12. Soften legumes. If you want your legumes to have an extra soft texture, you can add a teaspoon of baking soda while you boil your legumes. Number 13. Shine a stainless steel sink. Instead of using harsh chemicals to clean your stainless steel sink that can potentially damage your pipes, you can use baking soda for the job. It is effective and less abrasive. Pour half a cup of baking soda into your sink, then add 1 cup of vinegar. Keep the ratio of 1 part of baking soda and 2 parts of vinegar. You will hear fizzing sound and see bubbles. Once you stop hearing fizzing sound anymore, flush it with very hot water for a few minutes, followed by cold water. While the surface is still damp, pour some extra baking soda into the basin. Scrub it with a sponge or brush to remove the stains. Flush the sink with water and you will have a sparkling looking sink. Number 14. Salvage burnt pot. When you smell of burnt food from your kitchen, it may already be too late. You left the pan on the stove for too long and the bottom of the pan is completely charcoal. Well, you can still salvage the pot with baking soda. Scrub the pan to remove as much food residue as possible. Add half a cup of baking soda. Fill a quarter of the pan with water. Heat up the water till it boils. Leave the solution overnight. On the next day, you can easily scrub away the black residue. Number 15. Remove carpet stains. If you know this baking soda trick, you do not need to cringe when a guest spills some drinks onto your carpet. Sprinkle baking soda onto the affected area of the carpet until it fully covers the patch. Pour vinegar into a spray bottle. Spray the vinegar thoroughly onto the paste. Leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour. After that, brush it with clean water. You can also vacuum away the remaining baking soda on the carpet. This is the before and after effect. Number 16. Whiten grout. Because of its abrasive property, baking soda can save you time and energy to scrub your stained grout. Create a paste by adding a small amount of water to the baking soda. Spray some vinegar onto the paste. Apply it immediately and scrub the grout till the stains are removed. Rinse it with water soon after. Number 17. Eliminate mildew in laundry. The cleaning quality of baking soda and vinegar can do wonders to your laundry. Mix half a cup of baking soda with your detergent. This will raise the cleaning power of your detergent. During the rinse cycle, add 1 cup of vinegar. This will kill mildew and bacteria. It also doubles its function as a softener. Number 18. Remove bad odor from fridge. Baking soda can help to neutralize awful odor from your fridge. Open a package of baking soda and leave it in your fridge. After a few days, you can notice the difference. As you can see, baking soda is not just being used to make food. It is an extremely versatile product with many applications. Hence, it is a product you must keep in your home. It can come in handy when you need to solve your household and some medical problems immediately. However, before using it for any health benefits, you should seek medical advice first. This is because you could be on certain medication or health conditions whereby consuming baking soda in its original form may not be suitable. If you're on weight loss, watch the next video and the videos with links in the description below for effective and natural methods to have a breakthrough in weight loss. If you like this video, click the like button. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos on how to lose weight, improve health, and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.